Alright, so we be in the car getting that there car wash. Yes, I know it's getting ready to rain, but you know, at least it'll be clean. I'm over here by the Super Goodwill. Now you can put your rain in. This is a Nifty. Yes, everything closed. Nothing all weather. Everything closed. And we in the dryer now. Wow. Oh, we get the buff coming up. Ooh, the sound effects, eh? They're coming down. Oh, this is gonna buff up. I don't know how this is going here. You guys gonna kick me out. Oh, okay. I can put that in drive now. Cool. Alrighty. Car all washed up. And they give you free vacuum. So guess we're gonna take advantage of the free vacuum, yes? Then get over here and let's say fresh towel, dirty towel, glass cleaner, dash cleaner. Oh, I was about to get hook up, nephew. About to get constant the cleaning works. Hey, Alright, and that's enough. Let me go get behind and do my thing.